HVAC Freelancer is the world's leading HVAC freelancing website. HVAC Freelancer makes it easier for the world's best businesses and independent professionals to find each other without the traditional barriers of set time and place. It offers access to thousands of skilled HVAC and refrigeration technicians, helping to ease the pain businesses face in finding skilled workers that can get the work done. HVAC Freelancer caters to all freelancers, contractors, and homeowners. It's a place where you can get your needs met with comfort and ease. So hurry up and create a free profile showcasing your skill set, rate, experience, certifications, and videos of the projects that you have previously worked on. If you have a special niche in the HVAC industry, you can create a service gig for employers. As an HVAC freelancer, you will be able to respond to job postings from homeowners or businesses and negotiate with them to secure and complete the job. We make sure that you get paid on time. Homeowners or businesses can post for free on HVAC Freelancer and find a range of top freelancers and companies from technicians, installers, and controllers to sales managers and more. Choose a freelancer of your liking and leave a review after the work is complete. At HVAC Freelancer, we bring people together and help you find work opportunities just when you need them. We help you find the right job and the right person so you can get the best experience. On top of all this, companies can hire HVAC freelancers for a permanent position. So just submit your proposals, negotiate the terms, and you'll be on your way to work. Your career will grow along with your reputation. So if you are looking for the best freelance experience, join HVACFreelancer.com now and jumpstart your career.